Imagine being able to submit Invisalign cases in a fraction of the time. With iTero Element 5D systems, now you can. The new iTero Element 5D Auto Upload feature automatically uploads scan images for Invisalign case submission. 94% of surveyed doctors agree submitting Invisalign cases is faster with iTero Element 5D Auto Upload, saving an estimated 10 minutes per case. Submitting Invisalign is streamlined to just 4 simple steps. Take photos using the Invisalign Practice app. Scan the patient. Select the scan in Invisalign Doctor Site IDS. Log into your IDS account and select the patient of interest. Open the patient file and click Edit. Review the patient info page. Fill all required fields and select Scan in the navigation bar. Select the correct scan from the list and click Next. Scan images will auto-upload to the Photos page in place of the 5 required intraoral photographs. Review the images. Click on any image to make it full screen. To download, right-click on each full screen image and select Save Image As. Click Next after reviewing, then return to the patient file. Fill out the prescription. The scan and images are now stored as uploaded records. These uploaded records can be referenced while filling the prescription. Submit the prescription and a ClinCheck treatment plan will be started. This streamlined case submission workflow, enabled by the iTero Element 5D Auto Upload feature, provides valuable time savings. Take your practice to the next level with Invisalign clear aligners and iTero Element 5D imaging systems.